Good morning to everyone. I am Akshita. Now in the subject mathematics, we are going to deal with numerical analysis. It is also called as computation methods or numerical methods. And now we are going to discuss about how we define it, why do we need it, and what are the applications of numerical methods. The definitions we can define it in two ways. One is it is a study of algorithms that use numerical approximation for the problems of mathematical analysis. And the second one is a numerical method is a complete and definite set of procedures for the solution of a problem. Together with computer error estimates, the study and implementation of such methods is a field of numerical analysis. The definition of the numerical analysis clearly says that it will have a numerical approximations which gives us the solution of the numerical analysis problem. Or else we can also say that it will have a set of procedures or else set of approximations that gives us the solution to the problem. And the solution may not be the exact value, but it gives the nearest or closest value to the problem. I'm going to say about why we need to apply a numerical method in a problem. There may be one of the reasons in these three. One is the analytical method may not exist, or the second one, data available does not admit applicability of the direct analytical method, and the other one is analytical method exists but are quite time consuming due to huge data or complex functions involved. I'm going to say about one of the method why do we use numerical analysis in a certain problem, that is analytical method may not exist. For example, this we can be explained as, for example, there is an equation that which is quadratic, which means the degree has a power 2 and it will have two roots saying as alpha and beta. For example, there is an equation that is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. That roots will be as alpha equals to minus 2 and beta equals to minus 3. We can find those roots by using the formula that is x equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In the same way, we can also find the roots for the equation cubic equation which has degree 3 and the equation which will have degree 4. But both the equation with degree 5, it will be difficult or we may never know the formula of that problem. So in the certain cases where we don't know the formula of a certain problem, we use numerical analysis in that problem. Reason that says that data available does not admit applicability of direct analytical method. For example, there will be two values saying one is x and the other is y. Between this range, if we have to find the middle value, we can find the average. But what do we find? If we have to find the value nearest to the middle but not to the exact first or the last values? For example, there will be a value 2.5 says or 2.7. If you have to find this range of value, we have to use the numerical analysis here. This reason says that data available does not admit applicable of direct analytical method. And the third reason is method exists but are quite time consuming due to a huge data complex functions involved. That even we have both the formula and the data, sometimes it finds difficult to find the solution of a problem because it consumes a lot of time. For example, there is an equation saying f of x which has a power degree 4. It means it has a 4 roots saying as a alpha, beta, gamma and delta. To find those roots, we have two equations. So one is x12 and x34. In this equation, we have some unknown values say as x, s, p, q. And to find those unknown values, we have some other formulas saying as p, q equals to 8ac minus 3b square by 8u square or b square minus 4ab c plus 8a square divided by 8a cube. And to find unknown value in this equation, we have again some other formula saying as s equals to so on, and to find q value delta naught, and we have another formula. So we find that it consumes a lot of time. So here we can use the numerical analysis method to find the solution of a problem. Coming to applications, we will have many uses for using numerical analysis in solving certain problem. For example, used in a computer science for root algorithm, and we can find the profit or loss in a company, multidimensional root finding, solving practical methods problems using scientific and mathematical tools, network simulation, and training traffic signal, weather prediction, and build up an algorithm.